All right. Hello, guys. Hope you guys are having a nice day. Hello, Nicodem. Hello, Neil. Hello, Elwine. Hello, Ankit. Good evening. It's evening where you are. Hello, Nicodem. Thanks for the nice message for everyone. So let's get our list ready today. All right. So what do we have on our list today? Someone already said gbpjpy. We'll look at gbpUSD. Okay, we will look at EURUSD, we'll look at AUDUSD, we will look at gbpjpy, we will look at usdjpy, and then we will look at gold, XAUUSD. But for now, if you have any pairs you want, someone says EURUSD, we have EURUSD on our list. All right, we have EURUSD on our list, guys. Let's just wait till we have about 70 to 100 people on the live stream. If you have any pairs you want analysis on, if you have any questions, put that in the comment section. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, on our live streams, what I ask for is I'm giving free signals, free analysis, and all I'm asking for is a simple comment. And yeah, the more you comment, the more it helps the live stream. I'm trying to get this live stream to 300 to 400 more viewers. And yeah, let's see. So yeah, let's wait till we have more people on the live stream. But while we're waiting, let's go for a little break. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I use to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. All right, guys, we're back. We still have about 18 people on the live stream. Let's, like I said, wait till we have 70 to 100. While we're waiting, put in the comments what you want to see, what you want to watch, and yeah, we will do some analysis on that. And also, I put a poll because it seems most people want the New York session. So I put a poll: what is the best time to do this live stream? So I moved it. You can see that my live stream is now like 1 hour later than it should be, because most people are voting for around 8 a.m., 9 a.m. New York session. So you can vote in the Telegram group, you can vote in the YouTube. Remember that your vote matters, okay? If you don't vote and the time is not convenient for you later on, just know that you're doing it based on other people's votes, okay? So you can go to the community section and make votes also. So today, let's see. Today, we're gonna talk about, I wanted to give a sneak peek of the AI for the software, right? Because I said it's gonna be on TradingView very soon. So I've already started making some tests for the software, right? And very soon you should be seeing it on this stream, hopefully before the end of this week, okay? For generating signals, for generating analysis. You know, I'll discuss its various features and share you some trading experiences, success stories from students, you know, that used it on MT4. For those who use it on MT4 and MT5, just know that the TradingView version is going to be more accurate. The TradingView version is going to be much more better. The TradingView version is going to give more signals, more hedge points, so many other things, all right? and it's going to be good for scalping also. So yeah, you know, so all those challenges that you faced, you know, most traders are faced, such as deciding when to buy, when to sell a currency pair. The software sorts all that for you. It will sort all that for you. It will tell you where to buy, when to sell, scalping, swing trading, you know, everything on TradingView. It's going to be amazing. So I'll also show you how the software gives me signals, you know, things like that. But if you want to learn, you have to buy the course, okay? If you want the software alone, you can get the software alone. Someone says Bitcoin. Okay, we can add Bitcoin to our list. Remember the last stream I did on Bitcoin? I told you guys to buy. If you guys are bought, you should be in profit by now, even if it's just a little percentage. It's better than your money being in your account and doing nothing. Someone says gold. Hello, Bob Senator. Hello, Country Favor also. Where are you guys from? Yeah, gold is on the list. For today, we have gbpUSD, EURUSD, AUDUSD, gbpjpy, usdjpy, gold, XAUUSD, and then Bitcoin. But remember, guys, today is sorry, not today. This week is NFP week. Okay, this week, you see how many news happened yesterday, so you have to be careful. When I tell you enter a trade, let it go 40 pips, 50 pips, take some profits, move the rest at break even. I'm not saying it because this is the maximum amount of profit. You know, let me just say, the only reason why I'm telling you to do that is because I know how the market is. You don't want to participate in the market and not take something out of it. It will feel like you're wasting your time. Then what would you go into? Emotional trading, which is you want to get that money because you feel like you made it and you didn't close it. Then you start entering risky trades. You get emotional trades that you shouldn't be in. Start looking, you know, very good in your eyes. You start getting tempted. So I've gone through all these emotions because I actually trade live, you know, risking a lot of money and risking other people's money. So I know the kind of emotions and where it can lead to. This is why I say take some profits. If you take some profits, there's no negative effect of taking profit. Okay, gold going to 2030 and maybe we go sell. If gold is going to 2030, I promise you, if you sell, you will wreck your account. You will wreck your account. You must be new on this channel, you know. Somebody said, should I cancel my gold short? Yes, I already told you where to cancel your gold short. I told you in the last live stream. I told you where to cancel your gold short. Maybe, no, I don't think you were. I think this is the first time I'm seeing you in a stream. So you were probably not in our live streams. But yeah, I'll explain where to close that gold trade also. I also bought. In that live stream, I told people about buying, I told people about selling. So what I did was because I have like 3 accounts, right, that I use for swing trading. I bought on one account, took some profits there, and then sold on another account. But when I sold on that account, I moved it to break even, right? Took some profits and moved it to break even. I'll probably upload it on my story today. I forgot to post the taking profits. But yeah, so because I knew it was a consolidation, and at the end of the day, the consolidation is going to be broken, either up or down. But while it's playing around, I was making profit from it with 2 accounts instead of trying to, you know, if you had a $100 account, it would have, it's just simple logic, and this is what I teach. Divide the $100 accounts to 50-50. Buy in one, sell in one if you're in a console. This is just, I'm giving a free strategy like this, right? And I never give free strategies. And it's just common sense. The way I teach and the way I trade is common sense. Take your account, divide it into 2. If you're in a consolidation, in one account, use it for buys. In one account, use it for sells. But always be sure to put it at break even very quickly. Now, because at one point, it's going to escape that break even. But while it's in consolidation, you trade it like that and you make money. I don't know if it makes sense to you, and I'm probably not going to repeat it. You can watch the video again if you care. But this is the way I teach my students. This is why I don't use all these indicators. The indicators will never, ever, ever tell you the future. It's just for you to accept the market as it is and use common sense and apply it within, you know. Anyway, with that being said, let's move on to our first pair, which is gbpUSD. Guys, if you can type GU or gbpUSD in the comment section, you know, let's go. so that we'll from how many comments I get. If I don't get a lot of comment, wait, is the music too loud? Is the music too loud? Yeah, let me just lower the music because it seems a bit too loud to me. But yeah, anyways, yeah, guys, if you can type gbpjpy GU in the comment section, just to show support while I'm doing analysis on GU. And if I don't see a lot of comments, I'll give short-term analysis. If I see a lot of comments, I'll give long-term analysis. So let's see how it goes. Where are we? Yeah, let me just go on my software. You see, this is what I don't like. For me to give analysis, I have to go on my software and then jump back into TradingView. But anyways, that should end sometime this week. How many of you guys live in Europe? If you live in Europe, put that in the comment section. I'm asking for a reason. All right, so how do you join my Telegram? You can look in the description of the video you're watching, okay? My Telegram link is there. All right, so I was doing an analysis on gbpUSD on Monday, and I said, how do you guys like this? And this live stream, I've done it 3 days straight now: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Do you think I should do Thursday and Friday also? Let's make it 5 days a week, because from the votes, that's what most people wanted. New York session 5 days a week. I'm just testing it out and seeing how it goes. If you like it, let me know. But yeah, with gbpUSD, this is why I called it a Monday trade. And I told you guys, if this trade doesn't get triggered on Monday, which means it needed to get to 1.2475 by Monday, right? Then the trade will be triggered. And I know GBP pairs, they spike. Even if your analysis is correct, they can spike just for no reason. This is why I don't really like trading GBP pairs. Anyways, it got invalidated. On Tuesday, we tried to look for a re-entry for about 15 pips. It spiked the stop and then went all the way up. If you're using a stop loss, then that would have been muddy for you. Maybe you would have re-entered and made some profits. Who knows? I don't use a stop loss. I hedge out my trades so that I don't lose anything. Even if it went down and went up, I would have still hedged out of that trade. I've shown you guys multiple times how hedging is and how I teach my students. I even have some, for example, I have this student who was in this loss, turned the loss to profit. I have plenty of videos like that on my YouTube channel, literally a playlist. So that's what I do, because I'm not, if you really, really seriously want to compound your account and you're serious about it, then you go into hedging. You can't be taking losses all the time and expect your account to grow fast or even grow at all. You'll just be holding your balance at the same level for months, basically just wasting your time. Anyways, but let's see. Unless you're not serious about trading and you just only care about, you don't want to leave it in your bank account, who knows? But if you're serious, yeah. All right, so let's see if we can find another re-entry on gbpUSD. Remember, guys, there's a lot of news this week, and the mightiest of them all is NFP. So you want to watch your trades. If it's not going where I say you should go to before the end of New York session, I'll show you the exact spots to look at. If it has not crossed that level by the end of New York session, you might want to get out of that trade, because most of these trades, they should just go straight into profit. Let's see. We have 1.28. Yeah, 1.248. 1.24. Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah. And then we have 1.24. 24. Okay. So you can find an entry around here. Exit at the low of today. right? The low of today. Let me see how many comments we got for GU. Not a lot of comments, so I'll just give a short-term analysis. Let's see. Sorry, I'll give a short-term target actually. So you could target 1.25, 1.25, 25. Let's just say 1.256, right? 8-to-1 ratio trade. You're risking about 10 pips. Entry is 1.2475, right? Yeah. So this is what you can find with gbpUSD. Let's move on to the next pair, which is EURUSD. Let's see how many comments we get for EURUSD. Let's see how many comments we get for EU. Let's see. If we don't get a lot of comments, then you can get long-term analysis for EURUSD. Plain and simple. And it's free analysis and signals. So yeah, that trade was risking about 10 pips. You see how I'm setting up my trades, high risk to reward ratios, and little exits. So, and the reason why I'm making my exit special is because of you guys, right? It's just because of you guys, because most of you are using stop losses, you know. If not, there are some trades that I'll be entering that will just be wow. But yeah, I gotta create a safety net for you guys. Oh yeah, if you can follow me on Twitch too, that would be awesome. I just started, I had 30 followers. On Rumble also, I'm almost at 300 subscribers. You can follow me on Rumble. Okay. All right, let's go into EURUSD. You said no, it was fine. What was fine? What was fine? What was fine? I can't remember. Did I say something was fine? Or was I? I can't remember. Remind me. Anywho. All right. So EURUSD. We couldn't break this low, right? We couldn't break this low. We tried to get a re-entry here, but you know, no. Most of these trades were, you know, if we couldn't break this low, most likely before the end of New York session, you know what will happen. It will go the other way around, just like I keep saying. So let's see. Right now, I'm looking at the EURUSD as bullish. Does this high matter anymore? This high doesn't matter anymore. Let me check with my software. Let me get a quick analysis. Will that high matter? Will that high not matter again? Oh, by the way, if you want to get free swing trade signals, free scalp signals, I'm creating a group, right? It's going to have 100 people in the group, right? And we need to have at least 100 people to start the group in the first place. So you can join my broker, Muga Markets, sign up. And for you to be able to copy my signals, you need to have at least $250 in your account. Once you have that, send me a screenshot. And I have a list of people who have already joined. Okay, but we're waiting till we have at least 100 people. Once we're up to 100 people, everyone that sends me a screenshot, I'll send you a Telegram link and you'll be joined into a private signal group where I'll be giving free scalp and swing trade signals. So yeah, for those asking, because people are messaging me now, how do they join? How do they get the free signals? Let's see. Oh yeah, back to EURUSD. EURUSD is looking kind of bullish now. Same thing with actually that's is it in a consolidation? This may be why. Let's go back to gbpUSD. Sorry about that, guys. Let's go back to gbpUSD. one thing I always like to check for is, are we in a consolidation? You see, we're in a kind of consolidated area here. Went down, pushed up, went down, pushed up. So this area is known for consolidation. So obviously we could have been expecting a push, went below the push that I expected, way below, because it's a gbpjpy, spiked all the way up. So it has a likelihood of dropping all the way back down, right? And this is what we are looking for. If it drops all the way back down, boom, 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 goes up, we want it to be able to break, right? The same way it broke around here, we want it to be able to break 1.25. If it can't break that, then expect it to drop all the way down again. Okay, now let's go back to EURUSD. EURUSD too, in some kind of consolidated area, push up, push down, push up, push down, push up, push down. Broke down a little bit, but still pushing back up into this consolidated area. So there's a likelihood that this still matters, can still drop all the way down here. All this still matter. Okay, is it safe to trade EURUSD with one account going in one direction? Not really. Gold was a special occasion because the consolidation was set up nicely. This one is messy. Same thing with EURUSD and gbpjpy, messy consolidation. So what do we do in this kind of position? It's looking kind of bullish for now. Okay, and it's gonna go all the way to 1.106, right around here. So something like this, I'll just leave it. If it gets to around here, I'll be looking for sells, right? Oh, it's already even drawn here. You see, it's already drawn here. Boom. So I don't know. I would leave EURUSD because if it starts dropping, I would say maybe buy, but then it's the consolidated area. I can just keep going down, and it might break it down or it might break it long. So I want it to leave this area. Same thing with gbpjpy. Now that I see is in kind of a consolidation, for it to be safe, right? I want it to leave this area. Okay, before I can say there's a safe trade. Even this is not a safe trade. And I would need it to leave this area, then I can look for good setups. Let's move on to our next pair, which is AUD-USD, probably the same situation. Okay, AUD-USD is kind of forming its independence. But yeah, we were in a long on AUD-USD. We're in some profits. I told you guys to take some profits, move it to break even. We went to about 90 pips in profits. At 50 pips, I said, or even above, because we're already above that. But I said take some profits, and leave the rest to run at break even. We're back at this zone also. So what we need is, if you're still in this AUD-USD trade, we need for it, because there's no entry as of now, right? We need for it to break this point. Oh. Come on. Come on. We need for it to break this point, this high. This high still matters. This high is still giving problems. Should we try? Should we try to find the trade on usdjpy by force? Let's see. Not really. If we actually do, because we could actually just buy. We could actually just buy. We kind of missed an entry, because we could have entered at around 0.665, right? We actually missed an entry. We could have entered around 0.6655 here, and still gone for the same target, which is, let's say, 0.6725. And where would our exit be? 0.662 to euro. For even like 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, not worth it. So yeah, no entry as of now on AUD/USD. gbpjpy. Let's go. Let's go. How many GJ comments can we get? How many comments for gbpjpy? gbpjpy. I don't think we did analysis on gbpjpy the last time because, you know, a lot of things have happened. Obviously, it got down to where I said it should get to, yeah, but so many things. I'm not looking at it as a long anymore. I would have been looking at it as a short, so I don't think we did analysis on gbpjpy. It got down to 169.5, like I said it would. You know, if it goes below 171, but I said it could still rise up again. But I may be giving it a different look as of now. As of now, I expect it to continue to drop. Even today, let me see how many comments we have. So I'll see if I give a long-term analysis or short-term. So not a lot of comments for GJ today also. So I'll give a short-term analysis. We could expect it to drop today all the way down to 168, right? All the way down to 168. 168. 168, which is by 200 pips. You say you exit at the high of today, around 50 pips risk. You said your entry, okay, we haven't even set entry, so we don't know how many risks we have. Yeah, you feel me? Anyway, we could enter at around 170. We're risking about 40 pips. Risk to reward ratio 5-to-1. Not a bad trade. Not a bad trade. This low, once it has been hit, doesn't matter on the move. But actually it does, because what we want to see, guys, is we want to see this hit 170. Drop all the way down here, right? But if we cannot break this point, you know what happens? Boom. Okay, so yeah, that's how we see it. Because this is news week, you gotta protect your accounts, you gotta stay safe. Enter 40 to 50 pips profits, take some profits, boom, put the rest at break even. Whatever happens, okay? Take whatever the market gives you, as long as it's not wiping your account away, and we move on. USDJPY. Let's see how many comments we get for USDJPY. UJ. Let's see USDJPY. After USDJPY, we have gold. All right, so let's see how many comments we make or we get for this, and we'll be right back. Hello, walking HKID. All right, I won't even do USDJPY. I'll just say what happened the last time. We had a buy couldn't break 137.75, then boom, boom, boom. We all know what happened, hit this point, and then all the way dropped down. Now we're looking at USDJPY bearish. Not enough comments, so I'm not doing the analysis or signal for USDJPY. I'm moving straight on to gold. USDJPY has a good, that's a nice, it's not in a consolidation. If you can find a good trade on it, I'll just tell you it's looking bearish right now. Not doing any analysis or signal, not enough comments. So I'll move on to the next pair, which is gold. Gold, baby. If we don't get enough comments for gold also, boom, ending the stream. So yeah, let's see how many people make comments for gold. Type XAUUSD if you want an update on gold. If not, how many people are watching me on your mobile phone? If you're on your mobile phone, can you go to the chat section? There's a place where they put emojis, right? You can see it's love, laughing, celebration, shocked, 100, and tap the love button. Let's go. Oh yeah, and working HK, you have to come in early. I can add AED cards to the list. Okay, I do have AED cards analysis, but come in early next time and type in AED card and we'll do AED card. Well, on our last pair, either gold or Bitcoin, if the Bitcoin person is still here. If not, we'll just end it with gold. But yeah, let's keep typing gold. Let's keep making comments typing comments in the comment section. Yeah, and let's see if we get a lot of. Let me reduce the volume. If we get a lot of comments for gold, I'll do long-term analysis. If not, we'll just do short-term analysis and then we'll end it. Let's go gold. All right, so eventually we were able to break out of this zone. It couldn't break the mighty 1975 that we've been battling for weeks. It couldn't break it, so that means, you know, is the dollar getting worthless? Is it losing its value? Is there something crazy in the economy that's about to happen? Are we about to meet another recession greater than what we had in 2008? Why did the market aggressively reject 1975? This is actually a worrying sign. It tried to break this low many times. It's not just about trading. This is a worrying time for the economy, no matter where you live. The value of gold just increased and rejected going down, so probably we will not see it down in these lows for a very long time. I've always been saying we're targeting 2065. I believe it can even go all the way to 3000 at some point. You never know. Buy some gold right now. We have the BRICS nation. A lot of people are applying to join. The Chinese yuan is growing very fast, becoming one of the most used currencies. The dollar value is reducing. Okay, countries are going to start basing their value on the resources they have now instead of how much money they can print. You know, so yeah, things are changing right before our eyes. So, however, gold has entered into another tiny consolidation, right? For us to see any more continuous movements in the markets, we need to see gold break 2020, right? We did have some good comments on gold, but not as many as I would have wanted. So I'm not gonna give like a short term, I'm not gonna give like a long term, I'm gonna give like in between. Okay, maybe something that if you jump in you can profit from for a few days, 1 or 2 days. Yeah, so long term, let's see, what should I give you guys? Okay, I'll give you guys up to here. Boom, we could look for a buy around here. Around 2020. 2020. Yeah. Exit at the low of today, right? Risking about 70 pips. And you target around 2035, right? 2035. This is a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade. I would never take this trade on gold. It's offering only about 150 pips and I'm risking about 70 pips. If you want to desperately take this trade, well, that's on you. You know, you could actually even stop at 230, right? If you can't break 230, that's another issue also. So not really, no good trade so far that will like grow your account very fast off a very tiny lot size, but we can see the direction for gold. The bias is long right now. However, we still need it to break 2020. Okay, if it cannot break 2020, you know what will happen. You know what may happen. We might have another crash back into the consolidation zone. Okay, so decisions are still being made in the market. Let's see how it plays out. You don't jump into this trade if it doesn't get triggered. Country flavor, we're on gold right now, and we're done with gold. What we have left on our list is Bitcoin. All right, so if the Bitcoin guy is still here, if not, or anyone wants Bitcoin, all right, we have 20 more seconds in this stream. Hope you guys had a nice one. If you want to buy the course, go to NFX and crypto. If you want to get free signals, join Myga Market, sign up with my link. You can see it in the comment section. Fund your account with $250, okay? Because you need minimum of $250 to be able to copy my scalp trades, my swing trades, and some of the hedges. And yeah, we'll meet next time. Hope you guys have a nice trading day ahead. If you want to buy the course, go to NFX and crypto. If you want to send me a message, you can send me a message on my WhatsApp and Telegram link. And you can always join these groups to always stay updated. Hopefully in tomorrow's stream we might have the software, or Friday. Keep praying, guys, because you're gonna see how easy it is to trade the market and how quick you can get very quick analysis. All right, let me see. Let me just make one more comment on Switch. Boom, boom, boom. Where is it? I forget about this. Where is it? Where is this? You said gold. We've done gold already. Or maybe you're not live right now. Maybe you're still replaying from the past video, from the rewinding video. Yeah. So yeah, this boom, 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 and there. Yeah. All right, guys. Till tomorrow, we meet again.